Bagsak pa mga kabalen, Coach Mavs ng Mavs Phenomenal na pabilib ni Idol Joel Masangkay ng Angeles City. Ang binansagang lefty kila ng Barangay Amsik, Angeles City ay tiyempo na mapanood ni Coach Mavs. Opo mga kabalen, dumayo po si Coach Mavs sa Pampanga para makatuklas ng malulupit na player. At isa na nga rito, si Idol Joel Masangkay ng Barangay Amsik. At ang trio at mga nakakasama ni Idol Joel Masangkay ay sila Rostom Sulueta at SK Joseph Sahagun na binansagang Amsik Angeles Terrific Trio. Sahagun, Sulueta at itong lefty kila na si Joel Masangkay na laging laman ng ligang labas at nakapag-aral sa University of Baguio. At talagang kilalang kilala nga itong si Joel Masangkay, lalo na parte din siya ng JKP Mabalacat Bowlers Dayo Serie at ng Team Magic sa CBA. Kilala siya sa kanyang malulupit na dribbling skills, step back lefty, jump shot at lefty 3-point shot. Ilang-ilang liga rin ang bumansag sa kanya na James Harden dahil sa kanyang mga galawan. Opo mga kabalen, iyan po si Joel Masangkay. Panoorin natin ang ilang malulupit na highlights ni Idol sa malalaking liga dito sa Pampanga. Pagsakpaya pa para kang Idol Joel Masangkay.
For the victory lap, they ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I stress if I could. What for? Train in the trees, please walk my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands, and stone shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no challenge for champions, and chain no fear. Yep, the champ is here. Switch gears, we keep the haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat, and tears, and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear. It's a day, breakthrough. 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 I know it's lonely at the time, but that's not by speculation. But the position that I got, I climb too high to fall, but too hard to drop. Stop the clock soon as we back. Every gap in the mission, no jet lag. This is greater than trophies and saluted flags. Titles are pouring, the cross is big. Yay, I carried the cross I made. Dealt with the dealer. Baby, the hand was played. New level, next stage. Learn to be as a legend. Now tell me what's my next stage, yeah. I said the champ is